In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Melio account in 2025. It's a straightforward process, and by the end of this video, you'll have your account set up and ready to go. Let's dive in. To start off, you'll want to head over to Melio signup guide on their official website. This guide offers detailed instructions and is a helpful resource, but I'm here to walk you through the steps verbally. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Melio website. Once you're there, look for the sign up section, which is usually prominently displayed on the home page. Next, you'll be asked to choose your preferred sign up method. Melio offers several options for this. You can sign up using your email and a password, which is a traditional way and ensures you have a dedicated login just for Melio. Alternatively, you can use your Google account. This is particularly convenient if you prefer managing fewer passwords. Just be sure you're comfortable with the permissions that linking your Google account might entail. Another great option, especially if you're using financial software, is to sign up with your Intuit credentials. This is an excellent choice for those who already use QuickBooks or other Intuit services, as it allows for seamless integration and easier management of your financial data within Melio. Once you've selected your method, you'll proceed to set up your account details. This involves providing some basic information, such as your name, email address, and a secure password if you're not using a Google or Intuit login. It's crucial to choose a strong password to protect your account. After entering your account details, you'll also need to specify whether you're setting up the account for a business or an accounting firm. This decision helps Melio tailor its services to better fit your needs. For business accounts, you'll typically provide information like your business name, address, and tax ID. Meanwhile, accounting firms might need to provide details pertinent to the services they offer. Once you've completed these steps, you should be led through a series of prompts that finalize your account setup. This might include verifying your email address, so make sure to check your inbox for a confirmation email from Melio. Click on the link provided in the email to verify your account. With that, you're all set. You now have a Melio account ready to manage payments and streamline your finances. If you're looking for what comes next after account creation, Melio's guide will also offer tips and additional resources to explore. And remember, whether you're a business owner or an accounting professional, Melio's tools are designed to make your financial transactions smoother and more efficient. Thank you for joining me in this walkthrough. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to consult Melio's support resources or leave a comment below. Happy organizing!